In this video, I'm gonna show you how to open Windows Update in Windows 10. So there are some easy method. First one, click on Start, then type Windows Update, and click on Windows Update Settings. So you will see, and if update is available, so you will see Windows Update, you are up to date, and you will see the last checked, and also you can check for manually. And another method and way to open Windows Update, click on Start, then Settings, click on Start, then Settings, click on Update and Security. And here you will find first option, Windows Update. You can pause Windows Update for 7 days, so click here. And also you can resume updates. So hopefully guys, you like this video. By this brief video, we can know how to open Windows Update. Thanks for watching.